Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Vultr, deploy cloud compute instances step by step clearly. Visit the Vultr website at www.vultr.com. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Type in your password in the password field. If you want to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Vultr dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Deploy Instance button, usually found in the center of the page. Click on Deploy Instance to begin the process of creating a new cloud compute instance. Select your preferred location for the server from the available data centers. Choose the type of instance you want to deploy. You can select between options like general purpose, high frequency, or dedicated instances. After choosing the instance type, select the operating system you wish to install. You can choose from various distributions such as Ubuntu, Windows, or CentOS. Once you have selected the operating system, configure your instance settings as needed. You can adjust options like the amount of storage, the number of CPUs, and RAM. Consider adding additional features such as automatic backups or additional IP addresses if needed. Review all your selections to ensure they meet your requirements. When everything looks good, click the Deploy Now button. Your instance will begin provisioning, which may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, you will see a confirmation message on the dashboard. You can now manage and access your new cloud compute instance from your Vultr dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully logged in and deployed a new cloud compute instance on Vultr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.